Next video. In today's video I will show you how to compress image while picking a photo in Flutter without any third-party library. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all I will show you a video. So in this video, like first I'm downloading an large image from Unsplash, and then I'm picking an image using photo picker and compressing that image and then displaying it inside the image view. So firstly I will show you, I think not this image. Okay, just a second. So here I am on Unsplash. I am downloading this image, and as you can see at the top, the image size is 2.11 MB. Now I will open my app. I will click on the hello world button. It will open photo picker. I will select that image and it is displayed on image view. Now I will go to our internal storage, and as you can see the size of the image is 21 KB. So yeah, let's get started. So I have created a Flutter project. Inside that I have created main.dart as usual, and I have refactored my homepage widget to take a text button, as well as I have taken an image. So once you click on the text button, it will open the image picker, and once image picker is opened, we'll compress it, save it to our internal storage, and give the path to the Flutter side. And on the Flutter side we will save it inside this variable, and if this variable is not equal to empty, not equal to empty quotes, then we will display it using this. So here you can see I'm using this image.file, but unfortunately this does not work for me. I'm not sure why, but that's why I've created this native image view. If you know why it doesn't work, do let me know in the comments. But here using this, it is working properly. So if I go to this custom widget, as usual I have created some identifier for this, and I'm sending the URL which we get from the photo picker to this, and I have just so this is boilerplate code for display for defining a native view for your Flutter application. Now if you go to Android, go to build.gradle. Okay, this seems fine to me. I don't think we have to add anything. Even in this build.gradle I don't think we have to add anything. Next, go to src, go to main. I think even in Android manifest we don't need to add anything. Go to Kotlin, inside main activity.kt. Yeah, one more thing which I need to tell it to you guys is you need to add these two dependencies. So you need to add these two dependencies. Forget about this, like this is from my previous project, but you need these two dependencies because we will be using result launcher, that's why. Next, you will have to refactor Flutter activity to Flutter fragment activity. Next, this is our image picker. So unfortunately I named it as single video picker, but this should be single image picker. I think the variable name doesn't matter. And if you see on here I have defined our here I have registered our image view, and here I have registered our method channel. And once the pick image is called, I am opening the photo picker with image only, and once you pick an image, it will go over here with the image URI. And as you can see, I am calling an separate method called compress image with the URI, and it gives you the path for that compressed file. So if you come over here now, to be honest, like I have copy pasted this code from ChatGPT. Like I have found some other Android libraries for compression as well, but they were not regularly updated, so I didn't want to use them. And this is the actual implementation for compress image. Now just be careful with this desired height and desired width. I'm not sure what should be the value. Like it depends on you how your image view width and height is, so that you can pass it over here. But rest, like everything, I have copied from Stack Overflow and from ChatGPT. Like this is all it does. It compresses the image and save it to our internal storage, and then it returns the path for that particular image. So yeah, that's it. And inside our so for here for custom image view, so I've just defined this factory like boilerplate code, and inside my image view, as you can see, I have just created our image view, and I'm just using image view.set image URI with the path which I am getting it from the Flutter side. So yeah, that's it for Android. And for iOS, firstly you will have to go to runner, go to info.plist, make sure you add this photo library permission, Next, I have defined our my factory class. Again, this is boilerplate code which you have to write, and this is our extending from the image view. So first I have defined our UI view, initialized it. Here we will get the URL, and once we get the URL, we are initializing our image view, setting some frame. So here you can change it accordingly to whatever you want. I have set it 200 by 200, and once we will convert it to a URL, and from that URL we will get an UI image, and assign it to our image view, and then add it to our view. And if you check my app delegate, I'm importing photos and photos UI, and also extending PHP curve view controller delegate. Here first I'm registering our image view. Next, here I'm registering our method channel, and once peak image is called, we will first check for all the permissions. So if all permissions is authorized, then I'm calling pick photo method, which come over here. And here, as you can see, I'm picking an image, and once an image is picked, the callback comes over here. We will first dismiss the image, dismiss the picker, sorry. And here we will get the UI image for the image which we have selected, but we need to compress it, right? That's why I have created another method called handle selected image. Now if you are testing on simulator, there could be some issues. Like I have noticed that on the simulator, for some images it does not work, but test it on a real device, it will work. Next, here we are converting our image to JPEG data, and this compression quality you can change. So it can be anything between 0 to 1. So change it to according to your needs, and then I'm saving it to our temporary directory. And once that is done, we are sending over here, as you can see, we are sending the image URL to Flutter side. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.